Not only India's head-to-head against Germany is really interesting, but now let's also take a look at the very interesting and glittering journey of India in hockey at all editions of Olympics since the time India started participating in the sport of hockey at Olympics. To begin with, there are two pictures on your screen that you can see. One is from the last edition of Tokyo Olympics where India won a bronze medal after 4 decades in the sport of hockey, and this is the first picture where India won the coveted medal in the first edition of hockey and India won the gold medal. Now to take you through the journey of India at Olympics overall, to begin with the year 1928 when India bagged the glorious gold. India won their first medal in Olympics by beating Netherlands by 3-0. That was a wonderful performance back then in the year 1928. Moving on, when we talk about the 1932 Olympics, there also India defeated USA by 24-1, and that was also a very interesting game when we talk about hockey. That was another goal for Team India, their second goal, their second consecutive goal at Paris Olympics. Then in 1936, Major Dhyan Chand, he was the legend, he's been the legend, and he was the superhero of that match when India bagged a third goal. The Dhyan Chand-led side completed a hat-trick when India then beat Germany by 8-1. That was the entire score, with India's hat-trick of gold medals in hockey at Olympics. Moving on, 1948, India added 4th gold to its medal kitty in the sport of hockey at Olympics. India there secured their first medal in Olympics after the independence era, and India then defeated Great Britain by 4-0. That was also a very interesting clash, and it became even more historic because that was the post-independence era. Moving on, 1952, India secured yet another gold medal. Now that was Balbir Singh Senior, who scored 5 goals defeating Netherlands back then in the year 1952. The second came after the independence era where India secured another golden victory at the Olympics edition. Moving on, let's talk about another edition also, which is the year 1956. India secured yet another gold medal. There they defeated Pakistan in the super finale by 1-0. So that even became more interesting because that was a clash against Pakistan for India, and again a quest for gold that India won beautifully. In the year 1960, the golden streak broke. India won a silver medal, and that was a 0-1 loss to Pakistan, and that also ended India's 6th straight Olympic gold winning victory and gold winning streak for Team India. But that was not over yet, because in the year 1964, India made a strong comeback in that edition of Olympics, and India secured a gold once again, and they beat Pakistan in the finals to bag their 7th gold medal in different editions of Olympics. So this is how the golden journey carried forward. However, in the year 1968, India had to settle for a bronze because they beat West Germany to settle for a bronze. They lost the final match, but they did secure a medal. That has been the history for India in hockey especially. Moving on to the year 1972, India secured another bronze medal as they beat Netherlands to claim their 2nd bronze in the series of medal winning streak, in the series of, keeping on adding the medals to their kitty. When we talk about the sport of hockey, that has been the most victorious and most glorious one for Team India. And then in the year 1980, India once again secured a gold medal as they beat Spain in the finals to claim their 8th gold medal. Now this is a very big thing when we talk about India's performance at hockey, because talking about the infrastructure that India had at that time, that was altogether different, but India kept on moving. The momentum kept on moving. And then in the year 2021, which was the last edition of Olympics that was organized by Tokyo, India bagged a bronze medal. Now this came after a very long gap, after a gap of almost 4 decades, when India bagged an eventual bronze medal. They defeated Germany by 5-4 to bag their 12th medal overall after 41 years. So this is so far has been the journey of India at different editions of Olympics, and this time also we are expecting a similar sort of performance from them.